Ito yata turn on ang AC side. Dapat turn on siya. Good day, good morning, or mayong buntag sa tanan in Bisaya. No? So, as you might have noticed, most of the topics discussed in this channel was inclined more deeply on DIY projects and all. And one of the topics that is really applicable in this channel is going green. So, having green energy na usually to help out our planet, no? So one of the videos featured in this channel was all about green energy. So musikutag about green energy, so it involves less carbon emission, electric DIY electric conversion. So naana tayo mga nani, oh. So we already have DIY electric bicycle conversion with air battery, and also naana tayo electric motorcycle. Okay, so what a better way for it to charge using our solar setup in the house. So in the previous videos, nag-set up na ta og solar sa balay. So it's been running out for about 4 to 5 years, and unfortunately ang grid tie inverter got damaged already. So it's now the third time naguba ang grid tie inverter. So that was a Y&H 1000 watt grid tie inverter. So siguro for those types of inverters, lifespan ng gud niya is more than a year. So no matter how we do, for example like the cooling system, so ginaunsa nato siya, namatay gud siya gyapon, no? So lately naguba siya, and siguro pull up na ako gamay yung video. Medyo sunog ang iyang mga MOSFETs, no? So naglibog na ko unsaon. So for that I decided to buy for a new type of grid tie inverter. So hopefully I got in contact with Sir Rogel Naval of the Sunji grid tie inverter with limiter. So purchase it with higher price, much higher price, yeah, compared to the Y&H, but I think it would be worth it since this comes with a 3-year warranty. Okay, so nabot na siya, and let's open this one and see what's inside of the box. Okay, so medyo windy ang panahon na to karon, gloomy gamay, di kayo siya init, and there is silong. Okay, so let's open this one, and it came from Sir Rogel Naval, which is he patented the Sunji grid tie inverter with limiter, and it comes with a 3-year warranty. So it was delivered on a COD basis by LBC. Okay, so nice packaging siya, no? So ano siya ang manuals and some instruction of how to install. So this one is the Sunji 1000 watt 90 volts grid tie inverter. Okay, so mo siya, ang unit. So medyo gamay ra siya, dako lang siya gamay sa ato ang Y&H grid tie inverter. Ug mao ni iyang setup. Okay, so here is the LCD display on top. So this one is the internal limiter connection, the DC panel connector, nasa siya ay remote, so maybe this one is for monitoring. So sa ilawom at the bottom, so this is the AC output. So it's line, ground, and neutral. Kana lang, simple lang siya. So at the back is the heatsink. So tibuok panel niya sa likod is ang heatsink. Okay? So simple lang siya. Parehas ka simple sa katong Y&H na to. So ano yung terminal plug for the DC input. So this DC input, ano siya ang coming from the solar panels. Okay, so I hope klaro siya, no? So this is the 1000 watts 90 volts na system. So the input voltage range is from 45 to 90 volts. Okay, no? So this is the Sungy 1000 GTL1L2 ang model. Okay, so the maximum output power is 950 watts. Okay, so later ato na siyang install and let's see the performance. Okay. So mali siya ang tamper seal for the warranty siguro. So 3-year warranty. I hope parts and labor. Okay. So taod na ni later. Okay. So aside from that ay mo ni ang itsura sa iyang limiter. This one. So this one comes with a split core 100 amps or 50 milliamp clamp. So clamp ni siya, tapos kani siya. This one will be screwed on the top here sa iyang limiter. Okay. So medyo taas-taas siya. So this one should be clamped to the main AC sa gawas, no? Okay, so install tayo niya. Okay, so ready na ang mounting brackets. Wood lang siya. So this will give separation at the back of the plate so that it will not be closely mounted to the wall. Okay, here. So this will be placed on the previous placement where our old grid tie system was placed. So get the pita. So install sa tani, then we'll install the new grid tie inverter. Okay, so we're done mounting the inverter. Before turning on, double check all the voltages are correct. polarity, especially on the DC side of things. Okay, so positive, positive, negative. Okay, so plug na ito ang AC side, DC side, limiter. So on the AC side, okay lang yung bali as long as you connect line to line and ground. Okay, so try na to turn on. Okay, so before na to i-turn on ang AC side, check na to ang polarity sa DC side kung correct ba. Okay, so positive. Kaya to turn on ang AC side, dapat turn on siya. So, as you can see, naka-turn on na siya. So, things to do is to check for the settings. So, LCD is always on. Thermometer turned off. Okay, so after a few minutes, about mga 10 minutes, it has already produced 599 watts of power. Okay, so at this time, naka-turn off lang ang ato ang limiter since kung ko'y ginagamit pa, so okay man ang load sa balay na. Okay, so far 619 watts at 57.56 volts DC, 228 volts. So almost likely the same readings sa ato ang voltmeter, digital voltmeter. Okay. Ayos. So buhi na sa dwalay katong solar setup. So this is now the final configuration. So na siya space sa likod, air, just to give way for the heat dissipation just in case, and hopefully magamit na to ang temperature sensor. Check na to kung how much is the temperature. Okay, so it's now 2:42 in the afternoon. Niandar na yung fan. Okay, so intake fan siya, no? Okay. 549, 500 watts of power. Okay. So naka-turn on sa datong temperature sensor. It's now at 33.6 degrees ang chassis here. So nagbutang lang ko og gamayng clip para makita na to ang temperature here. Ayos. So hopefully with the new inverter mapahimusla na to ang iyahang utmost efficiency with a 3-year warranty. Okay, so thank you Sir Rogel Naval for this grid tie inverter system. Okay. Okay, so hopefully magbugay siya, no? And we'll give you update on the next few weeks or days kung pila to ma-harvest daily with the new setup. Okay, so if this video is helpful for you, then just give it a like and share it with your friends. Till the next one.